Law of attraction, it is a precious boon given by nature to every human being. You must have heard and read about the law of gravity. According to this rule, if we drop anything from above, the earth will attract it and that object will fall down. This rule is so precise that it is also called universal law. Similarly, the law of attraction has also been given to us by nature. Every successful and unsuccessful person knowingly or unknowingly follows this rule. All the successful people who have been in this world, all of them have achieved success in their life only by adopting this rule in the right way. If you want to be successful in life, then you should also know this rule. What is law of attraction? The law of attraction is related to our thoughts. We can understand it very well in this way. Suppose a person is thinking about a positive thought, then the result will be that along with that positive thought, other positive thoughts like that will automatically come to his mind. On the contrary, if a person is thinking about a negative thought, then the result will be that along with that negative thought, other negative thoughts like that will automatically come to his mind. According to this law of attraction, when we think about something with full focus, then that thing comes into our life. How does the law of attraction work? According to science, everything in the universe is made up of energy. Whatever human beings, animals, earth, sky, earth and other planets are made of energy. Thought is a form of energy. When we think about something and think about it with full faith, then the frequency of that thought goes into the universe. The life you have got today, whatever you have today is the result of the thoughts you have thought in the past. If you are of negative mindset and think about those things which you do not want in your life, then the same negative things get manifested in your life. On the contrary, if you have a positive mindset and think about the things that you want in your life, then the same positive things will manifest in your life. It is clear that we get what we think. How to use the law of attraction for success. Now all we have to do to be successful is to set the frequency of our thoughts in such a way that it matches the frequency of the thing we want. The rest of the work will be done by the universe itself. Let me now tell you how to use the law of attraction. 1. We just have to match the frequency of our thoughts with the frequency of our favorite object. 2. First of all, what you want to get, whether it is good health or a lot of money or a good relation with someone, etc., you should have a strong desire to get it. 3. After this you have to tell the universe about your wish. This order of yours should be of clear and positive words. 4. Immediately after giving the order, you should write it on a paper. You should write in present tense. For example, I am very happy today because I bought my dream house. Put this paper somewhere you will see it several times a day. 5. How you feel while giving your thoughts or orders to the universe is most important. You have to convince yourself again and again that you have the thing. And have the universe to thank for that. The stronger your faith or feeling is, the sooner the universe will complete your work. 6. After doing this your work ends and the work of the universe begins. According to the quality of your faith or belief, the universe will take time to give you that thing and later you will get the thing. Some important things about using the law of attraction. 1. This law of attraction works properly only when you take action to get what you want. By taking action or doing work, your faith, upper limit of faith, increases. 2. Time and distance and the quantity of the thing sought do not matter to the universe. When you will get something after asking, how much you will get depends on the quality, faith, of your frequency. 3. Ask for something as big or as much as you can believe that you are capable of getting that thing. 4. Universe cannot differentiate between good or bad thing. It just means frequency. Whatever frequency of feeling you send, you will get the same thing. 5. The law of attraction is a boon of nature only when you use it for good deeds. If you order it by setting negative frequency for wrong actions, then it can also become a curse for you and the society. 6. Whenever you ask or order something from the universe, it should be of clear and positive words. For example, if Amit writes, I want to be rich, and Ankit writes that I don't want to remain poor. Well, both mean to be rich, but the universe will catch Amit's word, rich, and Ankit's word, poor, and give the result according to their words. 7. You should not doubt the universe while adopting this rule. If you order something to the universe, you should not think about how the universe will fulfill it. How the universe carries out its work is its work. Your job is to wait confidently after placing the order. Now you can use the law of attraction correctly.